Hi guys, my name is Rehan Reddy and my registration number is UR15CH228. Now we are going to see the networking lab program. This is the experiment number 2, the configuration of LAN using packet tracer. Here the aim is to design the sample topology with packet tracer and configure DNS and DHCP server. So the topology is a network topology is a pattern in which node, computer, printer, and other routers or other devices are connected to local area network, that is nothing but LAN, or other network via links, twisted pairs, copper wires, cable, or optical fibers. And there are four principal topologies used in LANs: bus, ring, and star, and mesh. So let us see the given program here. The Cisco Lab packet tracer. So here I am taking the one switch, and here I have given the three end devices with connection straight through copper, straight through wire, and here I have taken the three end devices connected to it, the switch, and here I have taken the router, and it is also connected to switch. Here I have taken the three servers which is connected to the switch here. So for assigning the IP address, we need to go to the command prompt. We need to go to the IP address configuration. If we click on the end device, any one of the end device, it will show automatically like this. Here we can deal with this, these things, IP configuration, dial up, everything. Now we need to just give an IP address to the present end device. So I am going to the IP address here. So here I already given IP address 192.168.2.10. Since it is 192, so it belongs to class C. So the default subnet mask will be 255.255. It will be evaluated automatically here. 255.255.255.0. Here I have given the default gateway also 192.168.2.1. So it will be like this. So same like this, I have given the IP address to another end device. So for these three I have assigned the IP address. So you can see here 192.168.2.1 for this, and 192.2.4, sorry, 2.3 and 2.4 I have given here, as you can observe here. So this is the switch, and for the server, coming to the server here, for the HTTP command, I switched on the HTTP for both here, and DCHP also I given on the service. For DCHCP here I given the on, and in this server I have given the HTTP on and also DHTTP on. Here I have given the command as off, and DNS will be here on. So this is the things I have given here. Now we need to check whether it is working or not. So since it is all green lights here, this is these things are working successfully. So we can see the result now. So we need to go to the web browser here. Now www. Since I have given the web address, host address as nuthan.com, www.nuthan.com. So I am giving the same thing here, nuthan.com. So the result should come as follows. Let us see the second thing. You can see here web browser, www.nuthan.com. Hence this is the host address I have mentioned here, www.nuthan.com. Hence it is working successfully, and so this is the laptop. This is the program we required. This is the desired output we need to get. So, and this is the following program. Thank you.